Thilogi, the leading logistics service provider in central Vietnam. As one of the 6 THACO subholdings, Truong Hai International Logistics Limited Liability Company, Thilogi fulfills the mission to organize and provide full-package logistics services, offering optimal solutions at reasonable costs, which add values and efficiency for customers. Thilogi currently has 4 member companies, including Chulai Port, Thilogi Shipping Company, Thilogi Trucking Company, Thilogi Packing Company, and provides full package services, including seaport services, warehouses, shipping and trucking services, packing and unpacking services, with the mission to deliver maximum effectiveness to customers and partners through optimal logistics services and solutions. Founded in 2012, Chulai Port is a goods trading gateway in central Vietnam. The port is located in the heart of the central key economic region facing the East Sea, conveniently connecting to northern and southern regions along the National Highway, the Central Highlands in Vietnam, southern Laos, as well as northeastern Cambodia along the East-West Economic Corridor. Thus, Chulai Port has the convergence of different potentials to develop a well-rounded logistics supply chain. Chulai Port is a general port which can handle a variety of goods, e.g., containers, bulk cargo, liquid cargo, gas cargo, oversized and overweight cargo. Its port services also come with many forms such as towage, wharves, mooring buoys, loading and unloading services, customs procedures, shipping agency, warehouse services, repairing and cleaning containers to satisfy the import-export demands of businesses in central Vietnam and the Central Highlands, Laos, Cambodia, Thailand. Warehouses and yards of the port have been built in line with global standards and divided into specialized areas which meet goods loading and unloading, preservation, and storage requirements, e.g., bonded warehouses, and cold storage. For shipping and forwarding services, Thilogi owns a 1,000 TEU Truong Hai Starship which provides domestic shipping services for companies across the nation, carrying goods from central Vietnam to the north and the south, and vice versa. By cooperating with many major international shipping lines as CMA, CGM, SATC, ZIM, CK Line, Costco Shipping, the company has opened multiple shipping routes from Chulai to other ports in the world, increasing its imports and exports, meanwhile continuing to seek cooperation with new shipping lines to open more international routes to Chulai Port. Thilogi has been a strategic partner of different well-established businesses, having nearly 200 transport vehicles including trailers, cage trucks, and semi-trailers. The company is capable of domestic and cross-border road transportation services, serving in a wide variety of fields, such as vehicles and auto parts, agricultural products, frozen products, livestock, becoming an important gateway connecting global trade with well-managed, safe, fast and cost-effective logistics solutions. Thilogi Packing Company is responsible for receiving, storing, dismantling, preparing, and packing parts and components for all manufacturing plants inside the THACO Chulai Industrial Park. Its production lines have all applied ISO 9001 standards. Aiming at automated lines, the company has been investing in cutting-edge technologies, IT application, eliminating waste, cutting lead times, and meeting customer deadlines. Thilogi Logistics Services Network incorporates 2 representative offices in Hanoi and Ho Chi Minh City, which coordinate and manage all business and customer service activities. In order to bring the long-term master plan and development orientation to fruition, Chulai Port is committing itself in making proper investments, expanding its scale, infrastructure and equipment with the following projects. Terminal No. 2, under construction, a 365-meter-long deep-water terminal which is capable of receiving 50,000-ton ships, equipped with ship-to-shore and rubber-tired gantry cranes, extending the port terminal's total length to nearly 840 meters. This terminal will concentrate on serving big-sized container ships, while Terminal Number 1 receives bulk cargo and liquid, gas cargo. Global quality warehouses and yards are expanded and built at Chulai Port to increase the depot storage capacity and quality of port logistics services in the central Vietnam. Additionally, the Auto and Parts Distribution Center in Chulai will be a hub to connect THACO's Automotive Industrial Park in central Vietnam to transit stations, showrooms/dealerships nationwide, helping to form a steady logistics supply chain, improving efficiency, service quality, optimizing costs to serve partners and customers. Thilogi adopts digital transformation in management, step-by-step building a smart logistics platform to open new cooperation opportunities for mutual development. Its corporate culture has been built based on the philosophy, strong corporate culture comes from a workforce with integrity, dedication, honesty, and the will to make contributions. The community spirit and the brand culture are key factors to determine the value of dedication from employees to the company, and the company to the country. Thilogi, connecting trade for mutual development.